Hi, today we're talking about lesson 41, which is subtracting across zeros, and we're going to also talk about missing factors. First off, we are going to be talking about subtracting when we have a lot of zeros. This happens a lot, and so you need to be prepared on what to do. I'll get my pen right here. Our first problem is the Yeti waterfall in Norway is 900 feet tall. The Akaka waterfall in Hawaii is 442 feet tall. How many feet taller is the Yeti waterfall? So we know that this is a subtraction problem where we need to subtract. We have 900. Let me get the pen. 900. I'm going to put it right here. And we subtract 442 feet. And right off we know that 2 minus 0 is not going to be able to happen. So we need to regroup a whole bunch. So we go next door and we have a 0. We can't regroup at this point. So we're going to have to go over to the hundreds column, take our 9 and take 10 tens, move them over to the zeros. There's our 10 tens, if you can see 1 0. Then we're going to take our 10 tens and we're going to take one of those out and we're going to move it over to create 10 ones. So there's quite a process on this, but now we're set. We say 10 minus 2, we can work with this now, is 8. 9 minus 4 is 5. And 8 minus 4 is 4. So there's 458, it's 458 feet taller. You will see working across zeros a lot when you're talking about money. And here is an example. We treat money and decimals the same way we would treat our numbers. Any other number, the trick is to line up your decimals so that they're all in the same location. So we have $3. Okay, Troy had $3 and spent $1.23. How much money does he have left? So here is our $3. And we're going to subtract $1.23. And notice that my decimals are lined up. Well, here we go. We can't work with this at this point. It's possible, but we're going to have to regroup. So I'm going to take and change this to a 2, move 10 tens over here. And then I'm going to take one of those and make it into 10 ones. So 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 2 is 7. We keep our decimal right where it is. 2 minus 1 is 1. And we know that Troy has $1.77 left from his spending. Now, the second part of our lesson is on factors. And just a reminder, it says right here, factor times a factor equals a product. I think factories make products. In this situation, when you have a number and a letter to get together, when you see 5n, what they're saying is 5 multiplied by n equals 40. And so we have to say 5 times something equals 40. Because you guys are hotshot mathletes, you know your multiplication facts, and you know easy peasy, lemon squeezy, that 5 times 8 equals 40. This is why math facts are so awesome to have in your brain. Here is another one. A times 4 equals 36. What times 4 equals 36? I think about this. and I say, I know this. A is 9, because I know that 9 times 4 is 36. And there you have it for the beginning of our lesson. Come join me here in a sec at the practice set.